Hello everyone, welcome to Learnaholic India. Today we are going to see history of Java. So today's agenda is overview of Java, history of Java, what are the hardware and software requirements of Java. So let's begin with overview of Java. Java was originally designed by Sun Microsystems. This language was initiated by James Gosling. The very first version of Java was released by Core Component of Sun Microsystems in 1995. The first version of Java platform released was Java 1.0. It is also known as J2SE. The latest version of Java Standard Edition is Java SE 8. Let's see the various points of Java. Java SE8 has multiple configuration as well as advancement to suit diverse platform. For example, J2EE for enterprise application, J2ME for mobile application. J2 new version are Java SE, Java EE and Java ME. Java is also known as VORA, that is write once and run anywhere. What are the various features of Java? There are various features of Java such as it is an object-oriented language, it is platform independent, Java is very secure language, it is very simple to learn, Java is a portable language, Java is architecture neutral language, Java is multi-threaded, robust, it also delivers high-performance softwares. Java is interpreted. It is a dynamic language. Java is distributed in nature. Now let's see history of Java. Java was initiated by James Gosling in June 1991. Initially, it is called as Oak, O-A-K, Oak. Java is write once, run everywhere, that is VORA, provides no cost on runtime platform. On 13 November 2006, Sun released Java as an open source and free under the general public license. On May 8, 2007, Sun Microsystems finishes the process of making Java's core code, which is free and open source. Now, what are the hardware requirements for Java? To perform examples which are going to discuss in this tutorial, we need Pentium 200 MHz computer with minimum 64 MB of RAM. We recommend you to use 128 MB of RAM. Now, which are the software requirements? You need Linux 7.1 or Windows XP 7, 8 or higher operating system. You also need Java JDK 8, that is Java Development Kit of latest version. You also need Microsoft Notepad or any other text editor. Thank you for watching today's session. If you are new to this channel or if you are seeing this channel very first time, then subscribe to Learnaholic India and don't forget to click on the bell icon for latest video updates. If you like today's video, then like it, share it with your friends. Also, if you have any query, then comment below. Remember one thing, sharing of knowledge is gaining of knowledge. That's it for today. Stay tuned for next video. Goodbye and thank you once again.